How to fix the issue of exposed application not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards setting of your device. Scroll down to search for applications. Then go to application management, and in the search box simply search for Google Play services. Once you find, click on it. Go to storage, clear the cache, and also click on force stop. After that, head back and go to Google Play Store. You will find the option right there. Once you do so, go to storage again and clear the cache for this app as well. Then after again, force stop Google Play Store application as well. Even after all this step, if your problem is not solved, you can simply restart your device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.